now the second part, we're going to start from the footwork. The footwork are usually based on a salsa steps, which are starting on one. And I used to teach, since I have a lot of men in the class, I used to teach with the left leg forward. Ladies, if you don't feel well, you can always make the whole combinations by stepping backwards on one. So I do a main basic step. So I always start from here. And 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We're gonna start now with the music, a little warm up on a basic steps that you know. If you have never seen that step before, please follow the link for more basic movements that you can follow the whole techniques. We do a basic step. 1. 1. Very good. So now what we try to make is to relax a little bit our hips and our body, to let a little bit more movement coming in. We go for side basic. We are adding an 8 with our shoulders. We have a left shoulders, and right, and left, and right, and left, and right, and left, and right. And now one more in the middle. And change. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Only shoulder splits, no steps. Side basic. Hey. The same I do forward to you. You try to keep an 8. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 from this side, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. Simple side basic with the shoulders on an 8. Basic. And 1. The same shoulders we can always use when we do a simple basic step. 1, 2, 3 on the plate. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Body roll from the chest. 5, 6, 7. 1. This direction. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic step, and 1. So the first movement we start, it's a body roll from the shoulder, coming towards our body. So what is happening here, have a look. I make a shoulder with my right shoulder, a circle, like this. At the same time, I'm stepping to the left, to my left. Yes? This happens together. That turns my body 45 degrees towards my left, so I'm standing like this, but my hips are kind of still watching forward. Now I'm going to do a body roll, starting from the chest forward, belly, active hips, and I'm bringing myself back. So look like this, shoulder, body roll, and we close. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. The hands. I'm taking my right hand, the one with the shoulder, still going with the shoulder, and the left. Follow up and then down. For the ladies, for the guys, just down. So it looks like this. This direction. 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. And basic. 5, 6, 7. One more time. Movement number 1. And we go. And 1, Rumba, side basic. One more time. Number 1. Basic. I'll do this direction. Once more. Have a look. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. One more time. Have a look. Body roll, shoulders. 6, 7, 1. In this direction. And one more time. This direction. And we go. And wait. Body roll from the chest. Very nice. One more time. And side basic. With the shoulders on the eyes, on the 8 which we just made together now. One big body roll. Very good. And now we are slowly, gently coming to the last part for our class for today, and it's going to be a cross. Have a look. I go cross in, cross out. Step forward, 2 kicks. I'm coming back. I do a tap, and then coming back for a basic. That means I go 1, 2, 3, 4 is a pause. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try it one more time together. 1, 2, 3. 4 is a break. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. The shoulders. The shoulders want to create a line parallel to our feet. So what I try to make is the angle of my left feet is the same like the angle of my shoulders. So was wir wollen machen ist, dass beim Machen ein Kreuz dieselbe Winkel wir haben mit unserem linken Fuß, dieselbe haben wir mit unserem Oberkörper. Schauen wir an. Das, was wir wollen machen. Wenn ich öffne eine andere Seite, meine Schulter geht auf, zusammen zu meinem Fuß, halten dieselbe Linie. So, schauen wir noch einmal hier. Ich gehe hier rein und ich öffne hier. Dann ich mache einen Schritt, Gewichtverlagerung. Jetzt auf hier, ich wechsle meine Schulter und ich bringe mich in diese Position. Ich halte das für 2 Mal, bringe zurück und ich gehe zu meinem Basic Step. Zusammen, schau mal. 1, 2, 3, Schulterwechsel. 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 5, los geht's. Und 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Was wichtig hier ist, unsere Oberkörper ist bewegt hier. Für das brauchen wir unsere Seitenmuskulatur und Bauchaktivation. Wichtig, der Oberkörper muss nach oben schauen und nicht so gebeugt, weil dann es schaut bisschen komisch. Wir wollen das öffnen haben und hier nach oben machen, diese Bewegung. Die Hände kommen mit. You can also stretch it. That's everything you like, you can do this. It's already called styling how you want to do it. Und dann, wenn ich wechsle, den hier halten, gerade halten, zusammen. Musiker. 1. Ready? Wait for. And let's go. And 1, 3, 6, 7, and 1. Let's go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more time. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more time. And one more time. One more time. And this direction. 1, 5, 6, 7. Ready? And let's go. Movement number 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. This direction. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Very nice. Now we're gonna put the two movements together. This way. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and base. 6, 7. So what happened? I made a shoulder, side basic, cross forward, and prepare for the movement that we just made together. Música. And we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and base. And go. This direction for you, my friend. Ready? And let's go. Shoulder. Rumba. Cross. 5, 6, 7. One more time, let's go. And this direction. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1. And let's go. Basic. And go. Cross. One more time. And we go. 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. And last time. This direction. Let's go. Thank you very much for watching my online classes. I hope you liked it very much and I hope to see you soon. Kate, mi manera de en studio.